blockbuster movie to begin, keeping their eyes all set towards the screen, and suddenly the screen turns blank. Good evening, fellow Toastmasters and respected guests. I would like to take you all back to the year of 1992. It was a cool, breezy night in the city of Bangalore on 2nd of October, and my mother was rushed into the Shobha nursing home. Everyone outside the operation theatre was waiting for my arrival. I was all set to see this world, but due to some technical issues, my arrival got delayed and I got a sight of this world on 12:03 am. And I slightly missed the opportunity to celebrate Ayush Jayanti along with Gandhi Jayanti by just 3 minutes. I was born in a Marwari joint family of Kolkata, having its roots based out in a town called Bidasar of Rajasthan. My father, Bimal Kothari, is a businessman and a very loving and caring father. My mother, Vinita Kothari, is a homemaker cum businesswoman and the most amazing and hard-working lady I have ever known. I was lucky to have an elder brother who is 2 years older than me. Presently, he is an engineer and working with Google in the Department of Digital Marketing. I was blessed to have guardians who always allowed me to take my decisions by myself and always encouraged me to do so. I was very naughty during my childhood days, and all the incidents which I performed then stuns me today when I get to know about them from my elders. I would share a small incident with you all which is very close to my heart. This incident took place when I was around 13 years old. Me, with my gang of friends, would get down into our residential complex secretly and made a note of all the new unidentified cars parked in our locality. We made sure that all the tires of those new unidentified cars were deflated and no air was left behind it. Fortunately, we were never caught into it. The charge of all my mischievous acts were never taken by my parents, as they had always taught me to handle everything by myself, and I successfully managed it every time. I am very much passionate about cars, bikes, good food and travelling from my childhood, and these things equally excites me today. There is a never-ending list of food which I love to eat, be it puchkas, chaats, bhel puris, etc., etc. Now please don't ask me to translate all this in English because I am not aware of all this. I have a strong wish to travel different destinations all across the globe all alone, but unfortunately my journey towards it has not started yet. I did my schooling up to 10th standard from Aditya Academy Secondary, which is situated in the Nagar Bazaar locality of Kolkata. I was not that good in studies and scored average marks across all the subjects. I did not get admission in the school of my choice and I decided to join Bhawanipur Gujarati Educational Society School for pursuing my higher secondaries. I started my journey for my higher secondaries with great determination and started working very hard to bring best out of me. I got good grades in my 12th standard, which decided me to choose chartered accountancy as my future, and I joined St. Anandram Jaipuria College for my graduations. As a teenager, I always fantasized about being in college, but all my fantasies were shattered by the grace of Calcutta University, as we hardly had to attend our college, and my total attendance in 3 long years of my college life was just of 13 classes. My journey for chartered accountancy started in the year 2012. I successfully cleared the first 2 levels of this course, that is CPT and IPCC. I kept on working hard and made sure that finals was not an exception as well. I appeared for my CA final examinations in May 2015. Unfortunately, I could not clear it. I took this defeat of mine as a challenge and kept on working hard, even harder. I again appeared for my CA final examinations in November 2015. It was a no this time as well. This time the results were a complete setback for me and I could feel the pain of an athlete who was out of his form, just like Lionel Messi might have felt before announcing his retirement from international football. And trust me my friends, this pain is hard to bear. After my results, everyone around me started pouring their suggestions and opinions upon me and wanted me to give another best attempt to this examination. But I was totally confused as I could see a loss of complete 1 year behind me. And I decided to drop my May 2016 term examinations. Presently, I have decided to join a family business and working on a business venture of mine with my elder brother with a vision to take it to the new levels and touch new heights. In this whole journey of my life till date, I learned that words and speaking skills are the 2 most powerful weapons with which any battle can be won in today's world. And what better place than Toastmasters to sharpen the skills and attain perfection. This is the reason I was attracted towards Toastmasters and I decided to join it. Yes, I have got dreams which are really big and I am going to achieve it. After seeing quite a few failures in my life, I am all set to bounce forward and give my best shots. No, it's not going to end this way. Over to you, Master of Ceremonies.